What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is gonna be a very short video, just vlogging, like, leaving the hotel, going to the event, and maybe show a few of the events, but it's gonna be a short vlog, so hope you guys enjoy.
I feel like you purposely each time start the vlog when I'm in the bathroom.
When they're coming out of the bathroom.
All the time. Since we've been here, that's literally
Alright, let's go. Let's go. I wonder if Elaine gone already. Yeah guys, we are in the car and we are gonna be escorted. We are ready to go. Ready to go. No, sit down, probably on the back. You want this car now?
Huh?
You want a car now?
Which one do you think I want?
Huh?
Which one? Let's see if you know me.
This one, man. This? Yeah, this is the one. Yeah? Ooh. You're gonna drive it?
I would let you. That's what I asked.
man. Yeah, man. Easy. The guys in between races, we just come downstairs, have some wine. They're upstairs watching the races. The 5,000 is going on now. It's a bit long.
But also, no, besides the fact, the seats in the stadium, our knees, it's like...
Yeah, some of us too tall, you know? So, yeah, but it's fun though. The meet is fun. It's different, you know, to watch from the stands.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, first time, I've been coming here for 9 years, and it's the first time this month, this is 10 years now. First time sitting in the stands, but it was cool though. It was cool. Look at car, I need one of those little buggies, you know? So yeah, we soon head home though. I think after the 5,000, the 400 men, they're head home. You guys, Elaine is back. Elaine is she's not fully back yet. You know, she's getting there. So next year, she'll be ready. You know, big up Sherika, she ran 21:48. Yeah, man. And Natasha ran 10.95 as well. I have to big up Sasha Lee. You know, big up all the athletes who came out and ran today, you know. I don't know if I big up Bahamas. Antonique, you know, Antonique, my friend. Big up yourself, you did well today. So, yeah man, big up Bahamas, big up Antonique. We are back in our room, and that was a great chat meet. We didn't want to stay too long. The crowd, people, too many, you know, people, pictures and all that stuff. But
so yeah, I was a stalker here.
There's some guys just outside. Whenever you go outside, oh, picture, autograph. Oh, what's up? Like. But anyways, we're waiting to see if we can catch Elaine because we have an early flight and we haven't seen her since we've been here. So waiting to see if we can catch her.
We have to leave here at 4 a.m. So that means we have to be up at like 3 a.m.
And that's not your best time of the morning, right?
No, that's madness because besides the fact, guys, we have to go home to 2 boys. What we should have done is stay overnight in Miami, rest, and then go home to them fresh. We're gonna go home to them like, and you know that we're gonna make us pay for it.